Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to zoom in and zoom out your videos in CapCut using keyframes. Maybe you want to slowly zoom into someone's face, highlight something on the screen, or add a smooth zoom out effect. Here is the easiest way to do that in CapCut. First, you open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to zoom in or zoom out, and now you drag it to your timeline. Next, I go ahead and zoom in my timeline to fit my workspace. And after you've done that, you go and select your video by clicking on it on your timeline. And after you've selected your video, you will now see editing options appear on the right panel. I mean the right hand side of your video player. Now to add a zoom effect, you move your playhead to where you want your zoom in or zoom out to begin. Move to the right panel and now you add a keyframe. Keyframes are the diamond shaped editing tools on the right side of the right panel, as you can see. And just like I said first, you move your playhead to where you want your zoom effect to begin. And now you move to the scale section of the right panel and click on the diamond to add a keyframe. And now you move beneath it to the section that says position and add your second keyframe. And now you move back to your timeline and move your playhead to where you want your zoom effect to end. And now you move back to the right panel and add a keyframe on scale and position. And now you move to the scale section and increase the value to zoom in. And for zooming out, you reduce the scale. But for now, let's zoom in. And as for position, you can just move to your player, click on the video, and drag to the position you want to zoom. So let's say I want to zoom to the top left corner. And now drag the video to the top left corner. And as you can see on the screen. And now you can also see the both keyframes on my timeline, which the first one represents the starting level of my zoom effect, and the second one shows where my zoom effect ends. So now let's go check it out. So let's play the video and see how it looks. So let's move to the beginning and see how our zooming effect looks like. And as you can see, our zooming effect looks smooth. So to add a zoom out effect, you again go ahead and select the video on your timeline. And if you want to increase the duration of your zooming effect, you click on the keyframe on your timeline and drag it to increase the duration of your zooming effect. So let's check it out once again. And to zoom out your video once again, you again move your playhead to where you want your zoom out effect to begin. And move to the right panel and add a keyframe at scale and position. And again move your playhead to where you want your zoom out effect to end. And once again, you move to the right panel and add a keyframe on scale and position. And after you've done that, you move to scale and bring it back to 100, or move to the percentage section and type in 100 and click on enter. And as you can see, our video has been brought to the normal size, but because we adjusted the position, as you can see, it's not properly placed in our player. So to properly place the video, all you just need to do is click on the video in the player and adjust it to the middle. And now let's go ahead and play the video once again to check out our zoom out effect. And as you can see, our video has been successfully zoomed out to its normal scale and position. So now let's go ahead and play the video from the beginning to the end. So let's move our playhead to the beginning of the video and click on play and look at how our zoom in and zoom out effect unfolds. And now this is the zoom out effect. And that's how you can add smooth zoom in and zoom out effects in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.